In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam overlay not working. Let's walk through the exact place in Steam where the overlay is controlled and make the key changes that usually get it working again. Start in your Steam home screen with the desktop app open. From here, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. This opens the global controls for your client. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps all the preferences that affect every game. Inside Settings, find and select the in-game section on the left. This page contains everything related to the Steam overlay. Front and center, make sure Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. If this box isn't checked, the overlay simply won't appear no matter what you do in a game. Right below it, review the overlay shortcut. By default, it's Shift plus Tab, but if your game or another app uses the same keys, the overlay may never show. Click to change the shortcut to a combo you don't press accidentally, like Shift plus F1. Next, choose where overlay notifications appear on your screen so they don't hide important HUD elements, and consider toggling extras like the FPS counter if you want quick performance info in the overlay. If you use VR, only keep Steam VR-related options on when needed. Turning off VR-specific features when you're not in VR can reduce conflicts. That's the essential overlay setup. Those changes alone resolve the vast majority of issues. If you're done, you can close the settings window. Your preferences are saved automatically. Before testing, a quick tip. If another overlay from capture or chat software is running, temporarily disable it so Steam's overlay isn't blocked. If you also see storage or permission hiccups with certain games, there's a handy control near your game's management options. Click Move, which sits right next to Uninstall. This lets you relocate the game to a different Steam library folder. Then select your preferred storage location. Moving a game to a drive with more free space or fewer permission restrictions can help prevent background errors that sometimes interfere with overlay hooks. After you've made your changes, restart Steam to refresh the client, then launch a game in normal desktop mode. Once you're in gameplay, press your overlay shortcut and confirm the overlay appears. If it does, you're all set. If not, return to the in-game settings, try a different shortcut, and keep other overlays closed while you test. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.